Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact Forge installer for your target Minecraft version, don't guess. Once downloaded, run the installer and choose the client profile. This creates the mods folder for you. Next, download the shader pack and Optifine build that match the same Minecraft version and place them into the mods and shader packs folders respectively. Make sure to back up your world files. Otherwise, a mismatch can corrupt saves. Now launch Forge once to initialize folders and configs, then quit and proceed. You open Minecraft with the Forge profile and Optifine active, then navigate to Options, right arrow Video Settings, right arrow Shaders. Select the shader pack from the list so the game loads its assets. This validates compatibility. Once the shader loads, tweak global settings. Start with conservative performance presets, then increase clouds, shadows, and water detail until you hit a steady frame rate. If you see crashes or black textures, check the game log for mod conflicts and disable suspect mods. You finish by stress testing the setup. Load varied worlds, toggle render distance, and confirm a consistent frame rate. If stutters appear, update your GPU drivers and close background apps. GPU driver mismatches often cause artifacts. Use a profiler or debug output to identify heavy shader passes like volumetric lighting or reflections, then disable those features or switch to a lighter shader preset. If everything still fails, restore your backup. Try an earlier shader build, and only then reintroduce mods one at a time to reveal the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.